Hi, welcome. Simon here, and I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step on how to add additional RAM to your Dell XPS. Alright, so this is the front of the Dell, and let me lay it down here on the side. And I want to show you the DDR5 RAM. So this is the DDR5 RAM, and this is the newest RAM you can get in the market, and we'll be installing a 16 GB additional to what it comes with the computer. All right, so let me take a look at let me show you the back of the computer here. So that's the back of it. I know it's very close to the angle, I apologize, but that is the back of it. Now here on the very top, if you take a look at your desktop here on the very top right corner, they have a little latch here to unlock it. You need to get yourself a flathead screwdriver, okay, or maybe a Phillips screwdriver. What you need to do is to unscrew that screw right there, make it loose. All right, so make the screw loose. The screw does not come off, it's stuck in there. That is normal because the screw is not supposed to come off. All right, it's supposed to be stay just like that. Now you want to lay flat on your computer here, and this is the side panel. The side panel has the holes on it. This is where you need to pull the latch, the screw that we just unscrewed earlier. Pull the latch to your left, depending on how you look at the angle. So technically, you just need to open up that latch and slide the panel to your left. Okay, I'm sliding it to the left and lift it up. So in other words, you just have to lift it up towards your body. I apologize, you don't have to slide. You just have to pull this opening to your left and then pull that side panel straight up. All right, then you can just slide off the side panel. Now you can take a look at the computer. This is the internal part of it. As you can see that the computer has one RAM pre-installed. You have 4 RAM slots, first, second, third, and fourth. If you take a closer look here, it does have a number on that slot. I hope you can see it. It says DDR1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So what you want to do now is to install into RAM slot number 2. The first one is already being used. We're going to install on the second one. You need to open up the 2-side clipper, flip it open. On the RAM, this is the DDR5 RAM. How do you know it's DDR5? Take a look here, it says PC5. 16 GB PC5. That stands for DDR5. Alright, so you see that little gap in between? It is a different in length. The gap is not right in the center. This is a shorter and this is longer. So you want to make sure you match on the RAM slot. You see that RAM slot? It doesn't match because this is longer and that is a bit shorter. So you need to flip it on this side. Take a look at it. Now it's going to match in to that slot. Alright, so what you want to do, put it in. Just pre-installing by resting it on top. Use your 2 thumb and push it in. Take a look at the 2-side clipper here, okay? The 2 white side clipper. Pay attention to that and take a look at it where you push it in. Same force simultaneously. Alright, so you can see that the 2 clipper clips the RAM back in. Now you can push it in to lock it. Double check again, make sure it's all the way in by pressing it down and pushing the 2-side clipper. Make sure you're locking into the RAM. That's pretty much it. Simple as that, straightforward. You don't have to do any settings, any editing or anything. The next time when you turn on the computer, it would recognize 16 GB. 16 GB, there you have it, 32 gigs of RAM. Okay, now you still can add more RAM to it because you have the 3rd slot and the 4th slots available. So you can max it out to 64 in total. 32 plus 32, 64 gigs of RAM. Alright, now if you're not sure where to find the RAM, I'll link down in the description below. Check the link in the description below. it will direct you to Amazon or eBay to find the replacement RAM, the correct RAM for your Dell desktop. Alright, thanks for watching. If you do find the video helpful, please do not forget to click the subscribe button as well as the like button. If you have any question regarding about the computer, feel free to comment below. I do read your comments and I do get back to you in those questions. Thanks for watching and I appreciate you. Again, smash the like and subscribe. Thanks and bye now.